Enter 711Proxy official website. Click on Sign Up in the upper right side. 711Proxy supports two types of sign-up. Direct sign-up is possible through your Google account. Sign up by email is also possible. Enter your email and password. Referral code is optional. Check the box to agree to the privacy policy. Create account. Verification in the mailbox. Return to login after successful verification. Fill in the registered email and password. Click Login to successfully access the dashboard. Thanks for watching.